The whiteboard feature of LifeRing lets you draw directly on the map, which then is visible to everyone else in your group. Go up to your Collaborate menu and click Draw. You'll see I'm now presented with some drawing tools. I have a color palette and I have some different shapes that I can draw. So I choose a color. I'm going to come down here to my circle. I'm just going to click and draw. Circle, I can come back over here, choose a different color. I'm going to choose a line tool, draw some borders. Come back over here, another color, and I can draw an arrow. And these shapes are all immediately visible to everybody else on the network. Now I can delete those. And if I have any whiteboards that I've saved, I can come over here to the Read option, find one that was already in there, and I click OK. And I see a little triangle that I drew previously, and that shows up now. And that's it. That's the whiteboard function.